Wanna look young in your 50s and your 60s? Make this miraculous beverage a part of your regular diet. The amazing health benefits of sugarcane juice coming your way. Sugarcane is widely cultivated across the globe, and India is the second largest producer of sugarcane in the world. If you are an Indian and if you probably go out on the road, you will find sugarcane juice maybe on every other street. Many people think that sugar coming from sugarcane juice is bad for us because it is sugar. White sugar is actually bad for us. When sugarcane juice is processed and refined and all the nutrients are removed, you get white sugar. That is different from fresh sugarcane juice. Sugar coming from Mother Nature is designed to do good for the body. If you are already diabetic and your sugar levels are exceedingly high, in that case you have to stay away from sugarcane juice and almost everything. Sugarcane juice is rich in fiber, antioxidants, and a lot of important nutrients which is very essential for the body. If you have any symptoms of liver malfunctioning, sugarcane juice is one of the best options to detox and revitalize liver health. This beverage also cleans our kidneys, reducing the risk of urinary tract infections and any kidney stone formation. Properties like anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer make sugarcane juice one of the healthiest beverages on the planet. Ayurveda and many modern studies have proved that sugarcane juice slows down our aging process, increasing our life expectancy. This sugary delight is a very versatile drink. You can have it early in the morning as a detox juice, you can have it after your workout as a post-workout drink, or you can even have it as a midday snack in between your meals. You can even replace it with your evening chai or coffee. Just make sure you consume it before sunset, which is the most ideal time. Always consume fresh sugarcane juice which is prepared right in front of you. Don't go for the ones where the canes are refrigerated or the juice is prepared previously and refrigerated. Prefer local vendors as it would be a great help and contribution to them. Sugarcane juice is my all-time favorite beverage, and talking about it right now, I feel like drinking it. So I hope you found this video helpful, and until the next video, my name is Abhishek and I wish you happy juicing.